View friends. Welcome to this channel. Today we will witness from the air a shocking event. The Srandakan Dam in Bantul, Yogyakarta, collapsed. From a height, we can see how devastating the impact of this incident is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss other interesting updates. Let's just take a look at the following drone footage. Here's a dramatic view from the air. The Srandakan Dam in Bantul, Yogyakarta, collapsed due to the strong flow of the Progo River. This disaster occurred on January 26, 2025, causing a 160-meter-long section of the dam to be destroyed and the embankment to collapse as far as 25 meters. The failure of this dam threatens the surrounding environment. Some areas are now experiencing severe soil erosion, and a number of infrastructures are at risk of being affected. Communities around the location are starting to be alert to the possibility of further disasters. After going viral on various platforms, the collapse of the Srandakan Dam became the national media spotlight. This incident is strongly suspected to have been triggered by the strong flow of the Progo River and sand mining activities which eroded the dam foundation. The impact of this damage is very significant. One of the main accesses, namely the Srandakan 1 bridge, now has to be temporarily closed because the bottom part is starting to be eroded by water. The government and authorities have started taking emergency measures, including installing tetrapod concrete to strengthen the affected areas. This drone footage clearly shows how the overflowing river water eroded the 160-meter-long dam structure. Not only that, the embankment that was supposed to hold back the flow of water also collapsed, causing widespread erosion. Police have installed a perimeter to prevent residents from approaching this dangerous location. Meanwhile, a team from the Opak River Region Center, BBWSO, is currently developing a recovery strategy so that a similar incident does not happen again in the future. disaster? Or were there other factors that accelerated the collapse of this dam? Come on, give your opinion in the comments column. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to always get the latest updates from us.